Let me show you how to turn on and also how to turn off active noise cancellation on your Samsung Galaxy Buds 4, and also how to customize how it also will perform. So first things first, obviously make sure they are paired to any smartphone. So if you have a Samsung phone, you can simply go in your general settings and you see they will appear here. But if you do not have a Samsung phone, simply download the Galaxy wearable app. We need those to be able to customize this. So you see, once you actually enter this app here, you have different like noise cancellation levels. Also to be actually able to customize this, you actually have to insert them in your ears. So I'll do that straight away. So you see, also these earphones have got speech detection as well. Essentially, when you are like starting to talk with someone, they will switch to this ambient noise, so you can actually hear someone around you. So the person you are speaking with. So you see, for example, you can enable or disable it here. And also so if you want to enable the active noise cancellation, make sure it's like this. And also you can adjust the noise cancellation level here as well. And we have adaptive as well. If you want to like completely turn it off, so simply switch it off. But again, so before you are able to switch it off, you have to actually insert it in your ears. Otherwise, again, these functions won't be available. Okay, good luck.